Hi guys, so I'm gonna try the vlogging again. This is gonna be my first wedding bag vlogging. I am here at the mother of the groom's house to do makeup. I just stopped to get my Starbucks. This is so cool, right? Anyway, so excuse my makeup. It looks a little bit unfinished from here down. I don't really know what other makeup artists do, but I still do wear masks when I go out and do makeup just because I'm vaccinated, but I'm really up there close and personal to everybody's face, and I just feel like even if it's not, you know, what's going around, it's still better to protect myself from any other common cold or anything like that. Just enjoying my Starbucks. I got the apple crisp macchiato to try. I think it's pretty good. I like it, but I do get 2 pumps less than what they come with because I don't like how sweet things are normally at Starbucks. So I'm gonna try to really enjoy it because once makeup is started, I literally don't even drink or eat or even use the bathroom. So TMI, but that's usually how it is. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so stay tuned. now, and as you can tell, this is how much I drank literally for the past 3 hours. So yeah, I'm probably going to head over to Ulta right now to repurchase a couple of items. So that's what the plan is today. I only did 3 people makeup because it's a pretty small weddings, and I had trials this morning. I usually don't take small weddings. I usually would do at least 5 people, but this is kind of a last minute and I didn't have anything booked, so I just thought, you know what, why not? And it's literally 10 minutes from my house. So anyways, so we're just gonna head to Ulta to grab a couple of things for my makeup kit, and I'll take you along with me. All right, so I'm here. I got quite a bit of stuff, but yeah, I'm just gonna be going shopping and trying to find some stuff. These are really nice. They're my new favorite lip products to use on clients, so I'm gonna get some more colors. So I just got out of Ulta. I was in there a little bit longer than I thought because there are just so many new things there and just so much to see. And sometimes when I have a little time to go out on Ulta without being rushed, it takes me probably like almost like an hour and a half just to kind of look at everything to see what they got new coming in. I saw a couple of Jaclyn Hill products that I really like, but I just don't think I need it right now at this point, just because I have a lot of stuff already. But maybe once I get that 20% off coupon at Ulta later on, I might want to kind of check something like that out because it's a little bit pricier. But what I have in my kit, I'm pretty set for this wedding season and this year at least, and next year, so I don't need to buy anything else other than just replenishing some products here and there. So anyways, I hope you had a good time following me around, and thumbs up this video if you would like to have more vlogs in the future. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.